Okay. So yeah, from Ghana's airport
Yeah.
to American airport.
Yeah.
What are some of the challenges? Did you have to go through any kind of challenges to be here, or everything went on smoothly and nicely for you without any kind of distractions?
Is it? Now card in 10. Oh, can it?
No.
Now can in 10 times are there?
Yeah.
Mama to America and a crowd of Sena, the old kind of
No. I slow down with you.
No.
No. Yo, please. You have agreed.
Don't speak the English.
Okay. Yes, you have agreed to speak English this time with me.
I'm agree.
So
I'm
please,
agree.
yes, let's go English only, please. English only, please. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
If you are ready, I'm ready.
Right. Okay. From Ghana's airport,
Yeah.
Kotoka International Airport to
Yeah.
JFK.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Did you have to go through any kind of challenges to get here, or were you kind of pressurized or something?
Oh, no pressure. We thank God. I'm celebrating. When I reach Kotoka International Airport, they escort me VIP. Then I
Hey.
go. Huh?
Really?
Yeah.
They give you a VIP escort?
VIP.
Wow.
Yeah.
At Kotoka.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Then they throw me into the flight. Then the flight workers saw me. They say, "Oh, nice meeting you, superstar." They give me business class. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, superstar.
Yeah.
And they change your seating position.
No, that's my seat.
That
I
was the
buy
seat.
business
You
class.
oh okay,
Yeah.
you're a rich man. I know
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So did anybody bother to ask you about your age whilst you're on the plane?
No. Why you are come to ask me?
Maybe you look. Sometimes we have a special care for kids. If they consider it to
They
be like,
saw me. I said like a kid.
it doesn't matter though.
No, Ghana, they will not ask him.
No, Ghana they won't. But when you get on board on the plane, like the flight attendants.
No. When I'm come to enter, they saw my passport, so they didn't ask me.
They didn't ask you about your
Yeah,
age.
yeah.
But then inside the flight, did any of the attendants kind of say, "Hey, do you want some milk or something"?
No.
Nobody did.
No, you can't ask me.
Why? You still look smallish though.
No.
Do people actually kind of get surprised when they see you and kind of maybe see how you react? Sometimes do people actually approach you like a kid?
No.
Know where you go?
No.
They see you as an adult?
Yeah.
I see.
No, never does umpa.
No.
No, never does umpa.
Yo, it's like every question that I ask, you go with like no.
No, never does umpa. Someone can't make my cabin. No, never does umpa.
I see. Men find I won't tell the American, and I said,
Oh no, I'm understand. Yeah.
so why every question I ask is no.
Sometimes it's no, so I have to say no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. This time, if you give me any no for an answer, I'm going to ask for why, an explanation.
Okay.
So you can tell us why you're saying no.
Okay.
Okay. Do you mind telling us your real age?
No,
No.
Yeah.
Why every question no?
because it's not good. I have to tell my age to you. Yeah.
Okay. What about you and Don Little?
Yeah.
Which one is the oldest?
Oh, Don is my senior brother. Yes,
You sure?
I respect Don.
Wow.
Yeah,
Do you have an idea the age difference between you and Don?
it's too much.
Like how?
You
10,
can't-
20, 15?
Maybe
I know, so you can't lie to me.
15 years.
15
difference.
years. Okay.
Me and Don,
Okay. How's your relationship with Don Little?
we are friends.
Very good.
Yeah, tight.
Okay, body.
Body.
Oh, that's nice. And I'm going to go deep with this one.
No problem.
No problem. Thank you.
Kasani ebe kasache.
Just recently,
Yeah.
we saw and heard from the social media about one little girl called Akete. You familiar with her, right?
Ose.
Are you familiar with Akete? Akete Penisa.
Yeah.
What say her? What's your relationship with her?
Where the family tree na minchichi me.
Just say only Akete. What
Where
then?
the Ose ni kakara no. Anwadi.
For real? It's 72.
No. Anwadi.
Okay. Melo nama.
Baby, you're tuning into one take.
Do you heard him? Are you ready?
Yeah, I heard him. Him.
All right. Y'all give me a line. Let's go. One.
But you know I'm not a rapper.
Or do something small. Anything.
Okay.
In English.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. One.
Yeah. You hear me? Yeah. You hear me? Huh? Ghana peoples. Yeah. Ghana peoples. Yeah. Adwenkesie in New York. Yeah. Chilling. Yeah. Maybe fear yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You speaking tree? Yeah. Rap in English. Yeah.
I'm rapping.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Hey. 1, 2, go.
Yeah, we over mama rapping.
Okay.
Okay.
So underline.
Okay. And Rampo baby, I'm a coin.
Manhattan.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. There's a boy Adwenkesie. You know, I'm chilling in America. Manhattan is a good place. You see there, you can see Bill.
I heard cat.
Wakil. So,
Hey, Brian. I'll come. No idea.
Menya rapper.
NYC crash for endorse. NYC. One marking na mami o.
Where the freestyle too. Say, as obi. Sure. Omo ti ase o. As obi better na where's no flow. Na match e dey too.
Okay. And then actually, thank you very much. Thank you very much for passing through. You made it fun and nice. Yes. Okay, you just heard Yaw Dabo rapping in English. Yaw Dabo.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are 1 week or more in America.
Yeah.
Right. How do you see America?
Yeah. Yesterday I see that right now I'm in America.
Yesterday?
I see that I'm in America.
No, you say something different.
Yesterday
Did I hear you say
I see I'm in America.
No. You are in where?
America.
Oh.
Yes.
What can I say, maybe you said to somebody, I said the word is Accra, but then the way the person say like Accra or something, you are not hearing the person right.
Yeah. If you are speaking English, you have to teach him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So yesterday you realized that.
Yeah.
You are where?
In America. America.
Oh, then I said Antini, but
Yeah.
So
You won't be understand.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Obi bluff.
So, why
Yeah.
would you say that you only realized that you're an American just yesterday? You've been here
Yesterday, I go to Manhattan. I see there, I chilled. You know, me and Rasta, Big Sis. Shout out to Big Sis. Yeah. Yesterday, you make me happy. When I go there, I see the people's a tour, when the lights are shining.
Hold on. What do you mean by a tour? I don't understand.
Botos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you know the right name.
Yeah. But I have to check in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yesterday, I go to Manhattan. I see the people. I walk maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Wow.
I did not meet Ghanaian. I say here, no Ghanaian. That place, that person, Tony Jonas go there talking about here every 1 minute to be about Sitchem.
Is that true?
Yeah, but I see them a lot of cars, a lot of it be wonderful. America is different world.
Oh wow.
Yes, yesterday you see a lot of cars parade there. The way they are dancing, you can stay there too. Ahimache.
Okay, you can stay there till how much?
When my ahimache bro for
What's that? Tell me.
Ahimache bro for the
Please tell me.
minim.
Say dawn.
Huh?
Dawn.
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 Dawn. Dawn time. Like dawn.
Dawn time.
Yeah, morning.
There be ahimache bro for the nisa.
And you got pema me. Mr.
Ahimache adebabeche.
So would you not choose America over Europe?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
But are we in any case on the same